Method 6 and my favorites, Parasite SEO. Now, when you make your website, unfortunately, your website is gonna have a very small domain authority. And building this up might take several months, might take even several years. So why not piggyback off websites who are already fully established? Instead of publishing content on your own website, use other platforms. LinkedIn has a domain authority of 98, Medium around 95, and Quora around 92. You write an article on these platforms with a backlink to your application or websites. Your own website might take a year to rank. That same article on LinkedIn might take a day or two. Just a warning, don't up AI articles in bulk. That's a quick way to get banned. So to give you an example, over here I typed in best website vibe coding apps, and let's go ahead and scroll down. So here we have the AI overview, we have the SERPs, which really sucks, and of course we have Reddit. Now in this specific case, what I would personally do here is I would click on this very first link, I would take that to crowd reply, and then I would promote my product or service. That is a quick hack on how to instantly rank on the very first spot of Google. But scrolling down, you're gonna see that we have videos, and of course I recommend to make videos as well. And as we scroll down, you're gonna see that we have a Medium article. Now, this guy, obviously, he doesn't have a website, but his article is ranking on the very first page for best website vibe coding apps. So obviously, in this specific post, it makes most sense to link your project or also your websites. And just keep this in mind, this guy is ranking above Tech Radar, you know? So yeah, if he can do it, you can do it. All you need to do is just make sure that you provide quality content. And without even reading this article, the first thing that he does is promote his application. So as the creator of Desktop Commander, and if you look at the permalink right here, this is an application and desktopcommander.app. So obviously this guy is hacking the search engine. So he's getting his product seen on the very first page of Google, and he's using Medium to do that. Now, I bet you there's a lot more links. That is not it, right? So scrolling down, we have another link to his websites. We have his YouTube channel. So he is just essentially utilizing Medium to just promote himself, his YouTube channel, his website, his application. And yeah, here we go. Another, oh, and his LinkedIn as well. Now notice here how we can't read the rest, but he doesn't even care because he already got people to see his vibe coding app, his LinkedIn, and also his YouTube channel. So let's recap. Remember, ranking on Google alone is just not enough today. So if you're gonna ask me, Darrel, what would you do right now to get your project seen in front of visitors? Personally, I would always go with the video content route. I think most people know that video content is the future. And the benefit of posting video content is you're not just found on like YouTube or TikTok, but you're also found in the search results on Google. So you can just bypass all the SEO and go straight to the top. So creating video content is just a no-brainer. So go try out these methods. Now get out of here. I'll see you later.